thing's probably older than you.
Oh, what year is it?
94.
Yeah, it is.
You got other helicopters? It's for the kids. I need that building for the kids.
This thing's probably older than you.
Oh, what year is it?
94.
Yeah, it is.
It's a bone stock 1994 FXR, and mine Justin's uncle picked it up in a barn for $2,000. Pretty much wants to do like a California Dyna build on it. T-bar risers, like 12-inch upgraded brakes, go with legends in the back, a seat, mid controls, just a lot of stuff that Harley riders that want to ride a little bit more aggressive want. Bring her up to date a little bit, right? She's stuck in the past. If you can drive a stick shift, you can learn how to ride. It's not that hard. This guy just did it last week. Bada bing, bada boom. This is your left foot pedal. This is your stick shift. First gear. One down, the rest is up. I'm gonna give this thing a little good. All right, all right. Are you rolling?
I'm rolling.
Hey, this guy owns Maxwell Street.
You own Maxwell Street?
Not really. Two of them. He goes two of them.
Had her out at the dunes, did ya?
Yep. Got air in my truck. Do it all for it.
You jumped the truck?
Yeah.
Really?
My sick maniac.
We sent him down to Nor.
Do you like it?
Get his fix.
Pretty damn good.
Nor fix. You're about there? You're about full?
No. Yeah, and I'm not even halfway yet.
You're not gonna finish it, are you?
No, fuck no.
Yeah. You'll get that when you go to North. This thing's all slippery. You could eat cereal out of these guys. It's right. It's so hot back here today. I am dying.
Put a little exhaust there.
Dude, something, man. Fuck.
Well, you got the meat sweats.
It's probably, dude, you know what I ate this morning?
What?
Because I was at Nor before you.
Oh, man.
But I didn't get a sandwich. I got something new. You get to pick any 2 bags of chips on the fucking thing. And then, this is going to be loud for Scooter. Where's he at? You get to pick any 2 bags of chips, and he'll crush them up into a thing, and he puts meat and cheese and peppers on it, and it's fucking fire. But I doubt that that's why I'm all sweaty. Trigger finger, regular. Trigger finger, not a trigger finger. RSC. The trigger fingers are cool because they lock your finger in there when you're gonna pull it.
Mm-hmm.
That's the
Otherwise,
benefit
they're
on
the
this
same.
one. Yeah, it's the same. It's just a different bend at the end.
So fuck it. Do it.
You want to run it?
Yeah.
Trigger finger or regular?
Trigger finger.
Cool. I am now currently out of stock of RSC trigger fingers. 8s, Phillips, and 10s. 8s, Phillips, and 10s. 8s, Phillips, and 10s. You like your new car, Nick?
What car did you get?
The Mazda 3 because my WRX got a hole in the frame.
You'll get that on those WRXs.
They got a hatch now, though. They can put so much stuff
Oh, it's
in
a
there.
hatchback?
Yeah. Fuck that sedan.
That's such a camera guy car.
Yeah.
Isn't it? I had a CRX for a while. That's kind of a hatchback.
I have AC now.
Yeah, man. At least one of us has AC.
The truck doesn't.
Oh,
With the crank windows.
that's fine. Should we put on some organ music again? Scary organ music? I had that going for like an hour in here one day on the thing. 5-hour mix of scary pipe organ.
This fucking guy got a goddamn Android when I told him to get an iPhone. I told him, we'll cover it, put it on the fucking business card, get an iPhone. Dude, this ain't 2007. We're done with fucking Androids.
Showing up in brand new Android too.
He's showing it off? He's showing it off! Did you return it?
No.
Why do you still have an Android?
Yeah.
Why? It's not
Yesterday.
2007.
And it's,
We need to be able to airdrop footage to Nick, so to make Nick's life easier,
I'm not getting one.
to fucking track the bikes in here, to know where you are if you get fucking arrested or drunk.
You don't even know where I am.
Yeah, I do.
No, you don't.
That way you're not calling me when I'm fucking going 80 miles an hour. Where are you?
Where
are you?
I never fucking.
I swear to God you do.
He wanted to stage an argument right now about something that we talked about yesterday.
No.
You seem to be fine because all the content I posted is great with it. Dude, go to fucking T-Mobile and it was a better offer. It is what it is. Like, I don't know what to tell you. It's already all set up. I spent like a whole fucking day setting it up. I'm not.
You wouldn't have to set it up if you got an iPhone.
Yeah, I would.
Exactly. Log right in.
No.
It would be
2
fine.
seconds.
I thought it was gonna flip over.
Get some tires fixed, man. I got 2 babies, 2 daughters.
Shocks.
I heard you're the tire doctor.
I'll be your tire daddy. I could be your tire daddy too if you should come to the shop. I'll be your tire daddy.
I slipped and
Oh, you want me to try to air it up?
you can try it. It was leaking though.
Well, we'll throw a tube in that one and make sure there's no nails in it. This guy, worst case, we put a new tire on it.
All right.
Honestly, bro, I can probably plug it.
Yeah.
But I need you to buy a plug kit for me.
Yeah, for sure.
That's my favorite part.
Keeping toasty?
Oh, that's me cold. I like to let these melt and then just kind of smush them out. And then I'll cut off whatever's left.
You got a towel and so I want to clean your door, man. Oh, I want to clean your window.
Go see what's going on.
Look at that. Our customers are better employees than all of us.
Dude, you don't have to do that.
It'll look way better.
Well, I appreciate you.
And like I said, man, y'all like movie stars to me, man.
Come on.
This just
We're just normal people.
This
You know
guy?
that.
it's
This
like,
guy right here?
We get drunk in Douglas Park together, man.
I know.
We're the same.
we get high too. Supporting the local Misguided shop. Now they're gonna be able to see Justin.
Now it's perfect. Now they can see the bikes in here.
Now you can see the bikes and Justin and the cat.
I don't think they want to see Justin.
Now that it's full,
It barely fits, huh?
yeah.
Not sure if this is good. Huh? It's decent, right?
It's more than decent. All leather?
All leather.
All leather?
All leather. Alright, good to go.
I'm pointing that at you. Meal time. Hey, come on in. Get in here.
Gee, thanks.
I'm great. How are you?
It's like Little Red Riding Hood. Dremel tools?
Is it the little drill?
No, it's like a little grinder. Yeah, I guess. There it is. Cool, thank you.
You guys need anything else? Just let me know.
Maybe this helicopter. What's going on with that?
Nothing really. We usually put those on.
You got other helicopters? Nick, what do you think about that one?
Can you put a camera on it?
Let me go get the others.
No.
You sure you don't want to see the white zone that we have?
Slingshots could be cool. I like this thing.
Because we have the other zone that's.
Huh.
You guys fight a lot. You don't need slingshots.
Yeah, I don't know.
What do you guys do?
I'm gonna hold off on the drone.
Tell her what you do, Justin.
We own a motorcycle shop.
Really? Where at?
Central and 290.
What's the name?
Misguided.
What's the name?
Misguided.
I did hear about you guys.
She's heard about you.
A lot of people are always telling me about them.
Oh, yeah?
Check them out.
Yeah.
You know,
I'm there till 6.
I'm out of here at 6, so I'll be missing you by the time I get there.
Maybe on a day off. I don't really know how I feel about what went on in there.
What?
I don't know. It was just a weird experience.
What are they? I told so many people don't park there. We don't park in front of here.
No, not in front of the door. He's just saying on the sidewalk. They're going to start calling the cops, I guess.
They're calling the cops if it's on the sidewalk.
That's what he said.
So they want us to take up all these parking spots in front of their building instead. Because I'd rather have the cars that can't park on the sidewalk park here. Because under my understanding, the state of Illinois, you're allowed to park motorcycles on the sidewalk to relieve parking space.
Well, George, it may come down to, because there's some days that I have 30 bikes here,
Yeah.
and I have nowhere to put them, and if it comes down to the cops getting called and they come here, then I'll deal with it then.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
You get that? I'll take care.
Yeah.
That's the live action we need. The real drama. Real life drama. For real. Call the cops.
Not
Call the cops. Call the fucking cops.
Well, I just wanted to make sure that George has no problems with us. Okay. At the end of the day, he's our landlord. And we're gonna start doing Misguided open house bike nights. We're gonna start doing like a monthly bike night here, where like we'll do like 6 to 10 o'clock and have burgers, and it's like an open house, so that we can get, and we'll give away like a helmet and like have a raffle and stuff, like just an open house. So
Why ain't got enough?
huh?
Why ain't got enough?
You can come.
I know you're gonna be
You can come. I'll make
George is gonna be here sipping Modelo's 2 in the morning.
That's fine. I'll make sure you're nice and comfy. Dude, there's a guy that has that wrap shop off Cermak, right by the city. You remember that body shop?
Yeah.
That one guy? It's right next to that fucking high school. And he has an after-school program, and the city gives him like a couple $1 million a year to fucking do after-school programs for those high schools. Isn't that crazy?
When we get the back garage and we got some room.
I need that building, George.
What building? This?
The back one.
Yeah, we need the whole.
Well, talk to the guy.
Yeah, we need the whole.
For my after-school program.
Oh, okay.
It's for the kids. I need that building for the kids.